guys, I'm not gonna do this. We've done the one with perhaps this is 0.5. Maybe let's try this, and just in case you are saying, but Mr. This is 0.5. I want you to remember though that 0.5, this can be written as 10 and 1 over 2, because we know that 1.2 is same as 0.5, right? So I need you to remember this. Whenever you see like 0.5, think about it as it's 1 over 2, okay? So that's why, remember now, 10 plus 0.5, your answer will be 10.5, right? So which is same as 10.5, since 10 plus 1 over 2 is equal to 10.5. I just thought I remind you this first before we continue. All right. So once I have that, I can now deal with something which I know. And it says the total cost, the cost is the percentage. So I'm going to start with we'll say T over 235. So it's 325, sorry. 325 over 325, here we go, is equal to, okay, let's deal with that thing there. Let's deal with this 10, 10.5. 10 times 2 is 20, plus 1, so it would be 21 over 2, right? So, yeah, meaning that we have 21 all over 2 divided by 100, because it's a percentage. Do not forget that, right? Let's see how far we can go. So now I am having T times 100, okay? And we have 325 multiplied by 21 over 2 divided by 1. Remember, I always try to make this a fraction, okay? Now let's see how far we can go with this. So I think we can make some notes here again. Let's deal with this 325. I think we can simplify this. Let's simplify these numbers here. Try to simplify your numbers by all means if you can, because I think something can happen here. Let's see if we can be able to simplify this one here. Okay, these numbers they cannot be simplified because I don't think, okay, let's do something simple, right? Okay, because it's not 5. So you just want to expand. Let's go to our notes and try to expand. If you cannot simplify, you can just expand. So we have 300. Let's start with 300 plus 20 plus 5. Okay? So we multiply everything by 21. Everything by 21. There we go. So 3 times 21, this should give us 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2, it's 6. So yeah, that should be able to give us 63, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is 63, and remember we got these zeros, so we bring them down, plus. Now, again, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, so this should be able to give us 42, okay? 21 times 2 should be 42, okay? So let's do that here. And again, there's that 0 there. You bring that 0 down. 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. So which should give us, remember we said 5 times 1 is 5. And 5 times 2 is 10. You see, it makes sense. Now we can add all of these numbers. So we have 6,300, 420 plus 105. Let's add 5, 2, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1, 8. Where we are? Yes, that's 8. Yes, and 6. All right. So we have something like this. 668, 25, right? Okay, so we have something like this. 6, 8. Uh, 25. Don't forget this 2. By 2. This one is equal to 100 T, right? All over 1. So now we have something like this. Okay. Then we can again cross multiply here if we want to. Okay. Or we can just simplify this, right? I think we can. And if we divide this by 2, we will get 34, 1, 2. So yeah, this can be simplified. So we have 100T into 34. One, 2, 5, 0. Okay. Now you divide both sides by 100. Okay. 3,412. 50 divided by 100. And remember what we said? We have to move the decimal point. In this case, we move it to the left. So if it was like this, 34, 125.15. So it should be like this, 1, 2. So I end up with 34 point 1, 2, 5. Because round up to the nearest cent, it will be 34.13. Because this is Hamza, it should change these two. So I'm having something like this, 34.13. Remember, this is T, so this is cancels off. I'm left with T here. And then again, we need to add this with that 325. So now I'm having 325, okay, plus 34.13. Then we add, this is 3, 1, 9, that's 5, and this is 2. So this is 3. So we end up with 359. 359, 0.13. So this is our answer. Everything here, guys, is in dollars. Okay, so the total cost, I like to write TC for total cost, is equal to, in dollars, of course, 359, 13 cents. So this is our total cost. I hope I'm making sense, right? Okay, let's move on, guys. This is, again, the text. I want to do something different besides the text. Now, we have something different here now. Let's see how much time, because I do not want to make it too long. Okay. Right. I'm going to stop this one here and then continue again so that it's not too long. Okay, let me stop this one here, guys. Then we're going to do it again.